engineer, and I really do. I'm also a crane operator. I drive the locomotive and couple up cars and set cars out. Watch my crew, make sure we all work together, make sure as a team we're spotting our cars correctly, make sure that we're any hazards or anything that's in our way or anything that could potentially be dangerous, we all try to make sure everything's okay with that. But my main job is to drive the locomotive and handle the cars in a safe way. I love that it's challenging on an everyday basis. No day is the same. Every day you get to do something a little different. I guess that's probably the best thing. I love that it's a daylight with weekend off job if I want. 10 hours a day. I like 10 hours a day. So it makes it good for my family and for my lifestyle. It's like working in a big national park right here. Actually, Crane, Indiana, this area was going to be a huge national park at one time back in I think the 30s, but the government took it over, and so now they made it a naval installation. That the people here on the base respect you, knowing what you're doing and why you're doing it, and you're not an inconvenience as you are on the outside. Even though we haul their commodities on the outside, they just don't think of it that way. Most overnight freight that's overnight, it never sees an airplane. It goes on a train. Most people don't realize that. These trains, it's a lot smaller equipment, a lot less cars. On the outside, probably 90% of my time I drove coal trains that were 1.75 miles long, distributed power, 22,000 tons, whereas here you're hauling just a few box cars, but they are explosives, so you have to respect what you're doing here as compared to that. It's the best possible scenario for me to get the engineer's position here at Crane. It's what I love to do, driving a train. It's close to home, and daylights, weekends off, and we're here helping the warfighter support the guys overseas.